Welcome to our channel. Thank you very much. Watch our video. Assalamu alaikum everyone. तो फाइनली आज बनाएंगे मुगलगल. मुगलगल is Mongolian dish. So let me start our video. How to make mugalgal. I show this video. So go inside his kitchen. Simple egg dish. Simple. Is authentic Mongolian dish. So some beef and vegetable, some spicy and grill. So let me cut this vegetable. I take some vegetable, onion, cut is cubes, some capsicum, our vegetable is ready. Now we purchase this beef. First I cut cube shape. This is the beef. Tender, very soft and juicy. So our ability I cut. So finally, our vegetable is ready, beef is ready. I take some masala there, coriander, cumin, black pepper, red pepper, and oyster sauce, vinegar, some parsley, and some egg, and there have some masala with the hot chili, rosemary, oregano, turmeric, salt, pepper. This is the ingredient. All is ready. Finally, our pan is the hot. I make to grill. Mugalgal is the saute. Okay. So first I check drop of water. Oh, very hot. And wash also. I use olive oil. Just spike like this. And throw the beef. Some onion, some pepper, और बीफ एंड वेजिटेबल सौते हो गया. तो फर्स्ट हम ऐड करेंगे थोड़ा सा रेड पेपर द हॉट, थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर, black pepper, add some oyster sauce, some parsley and coriander, see is the look. So now remove. Now we serve. Serve. Look is taste. Oh. Simple egg, थोड़ा सा एग पॉलिश करेंगे. Just cover like this. Polish in the egg. Sesame white. I heat to oven almost 15 minutes. I will open. It is done. You can look. Machine gives to signal. Our time is done. So remove now. Oh, mashallah. See the look, very hot. See, look it. Look it. Mughal is the den. Oh. So now is the test, Mughal. So I will start. First test. So looking is nice. Whoa, look it. Some like bread. You can eat this one. So first I will test in the pita bread.